What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you all back into another video. And in today's video I have got my hands on this all new Amazfit T-Rex, a military grade rugged smartwatch. I was always looking to have one smartwatch which can take out and about, do not worry about breaking it and stuff like that. And right here we have an answer for all of it, Amazfit T-Rex. Now first to start with, we're going to look into all the features offered by this smartwatch, following with checking out all the features are up to a standard or not. We're also going to look into the performance of smartwatch, following with the application, what it offers in it, and what the smartwatch can do for us. And by the end of this video, I'm sure you will have an idea that is this the smartwatch you've been looking for. And guys, if I miss anything within the video, please do let me know in the comment section down below. Well, let's not waste too much of time and straight away look into the features offered by the smartwatch. Features starting with the 20 days of battery life to accompany you in a wilderness, built-in GPS plus GLONASS Positioning Chip for increased speed and accuracy. Come with a 12 military grade certification for the harsh environment and equipped with a 1.3-inch AMOLED display for the clear and outstanding images. Skin-friendly and comfortable inner sweat-wicking design makes it breathing and keep it dry as well. Smart notification for incoming calls, text messages, applications and calendar by using the Amazfit application. Also come with the 5 atmosphere water resistance. Always on display, come with the 30+ watch faces and music control from the smartwatch. Also equipped with the 14 sports modes, sleep monitor and activity tracking with the distance and calories. Now when you power up your smartwatch first time, it's going to show you to configure it with the application, which is available for Android as well as for iOS users. We are on Android mobile phone, so you can download the application from Google Play Store and it's called Amazfit. Now in here you can see I've got the open option because I have got application pre-installed on my mobile phone. But if you're new to it, you're going to get the option for install. Now once you are on the home screen of it, what you need to do is click onto this plus button on the top. Now from the list of smartwatches, select Amazfit T-Rex. Once you select it, scan the QR code which you have on your smartwatch. Once your smartwatch is successfully configured, you need to say yes to it, and you're also going to see the message on your application too that it is configured or paired successfully. Right, you need to activate your smartwatch. That's fairly kind of a normal thing to do. Now on first time power up and configuring with your smartwatch, you're going to get the update for every single bit actually, starting with the firmware, GPS and the interface library. Now smartwatch is fully configured and good to use. Now starting with the build quality point of view, Amazfit done a really great job on a T-Rex model. The one which I got is a green color. It really feels like a rugged smartwatch. Come with the touchscreen display and also the buttons as well, which will help you to navigate within the menu by up and down. That is a very handy feature to have, to be honest with you, but you're not losing the functionality of the touch as well. That is working for you, no problem whatsoever with it. By pressing the select button, you can actually straight away go into that particular thing you would like to go for, or by selecting it when you're on home screen, you can launch the workout session straight away, or a back button as well. Now on the back of smartwatch you have a charging pins and a heart rate sensor. For the smartwatch wristband stripes, I've not seen anyone available in the market at the moment of time, but I'm sure in future there will be some available. It really suits the body of smartwatch, no doubt whatsoever. Definitely interchangeable, but with the tool actually. Let's have a very quick look within the Amazfit application. Offers everything you wanted to know, available right on the home screen within the home page area, where first thing you're going to see that how many steps you have taken throughout the day, calories you have burned, how many hours you have slept, heart rate 24-hour, and every time that how it's been doing. All the statics are available in here. You can actually set the limits as well and whatever you like, so as your sleeping scores as well. Right there you can see how deep you slept and how light your sleep was, and throughout the timing actually guys. Pretty decent amount of information available for you to look into and working out. Then you have a PAI, which is all especially to do with the Amazfit application. Here is going to score you that how good you are being. You can see that. You can also create your own profile and get all the information updated in here. You can also set your goal tracking, and if you go down below, you can generate the data as well for yourself too. Next tab you have is Enjoy. In here you're going to see all the options which are supported by your smartwatch, and you can go into them like setting an alarm on your smartwatch. You can do it from here rather than going into your smartwatch itself. Next is the profile, which is a very important section where you're going to access your device. Like in here we got Amazfit T-Rex. Now this area is all to do with your smartwatch, starting with the watch faces. If you to download more, unlock a screen, incoming calls, you would like to get a reminder on your smartwatch or not, event reminder, watch alarms, and app alerts. Now in case if you're thinking that your smartwatch is not sending you any alerts, that is the section which you need to go into and select the application from where you would like to get the notification from by clicking onto the manage application. Here is going to show you the list of applications which you have on your mobile phone. You can select, unselect any application from who you wanted to receive the data or not, or notification actually, I would say that. Next tab you have is for idle alert, which is a sedentary reminder, and incoming SMS and the notification goal. Down below you got some extra options to do with the smartwatch, again to finding your watch, activity sharing, wristband, stuff like that, application running in the background, all the watch display settings. Now this watch display setting is more to do with this all application area here. You can customize it what you wanted to see, what you don't want it to see, or in what sequence you want by selecting any one of them and go scroll up and down if you want to. Application give you very good amount of freedom to modify things very easily. You can set up your goals in here as well as the records as well. Down below you can also add the accounts as well, like a WeChat, Google Fit, or Strava if you want to. Very much decent and refined application, no doubt whatsoever about it. Now let's talk about the tiny operating system which is working on this smartwatch, which is very user friendly and straightforward to work with. If you scroll from top to bottom from the main face, you're going to see the quick access menus, where you can turn on the torch, access in terms of battery saving mode, do not disturb, auto brightness option as well, which is very handy to have if you're using this smartwatch out and about. Actually it automatically adjusts the brightness, or if you want you can turn it off as well. To see all the notification which you receive from your mobile phone, swiping from left to right, you're going to access them right in here. You can straight away go into that and see the message. And to access your fitness status, scroll from bottom to top, where first you're going to see how many steps you have taken, kilometers you have run, and calories you have burned. You can straight away go into it more detail. It will tell you what time you were stepping, how long you were stepping for. And it's go for the next step where it's going to show you the BPMs. You can straight away go into it and see your BPMs doing throughout the day actually. Smartwatch comes with the 24-hour BPM recording, and scrolling further more down into it, you're going to see the quick menu guide and down to the main screen, which you can change very easily as well by press and hold on top of it. And here you got a multiple watch faces, and the choice for watch faces is huge and all suit the rugged design you have on this T-Rex. Now to access all the applications which you have on this T-Rex smartwatch, scrolling from right to left, you're going to see them available in here. And within the list of application, you have a status, which is all to do with your fitness information. PAI is all to do with the scoring using the Amazfit application. Heart rate, working out, activities, weather, which will give you the weather information about your current location. You can go into the more detail of it if you want to, show you how's the weather today, tomorrow, and in terms of weekends as well, not that bad at all. Music, alarm, event reminder, timer, countdown timer, find your mobile phone. A press of one button, you're going to get the audible notification on your mobile phone, compass, and the settings. Now within the settings, you got an option for your watch faces, screen on duration, like a screensaver option, quick startup, which is to do with this button actually on the top. You can actually customize it as well, that what would you like to do with it. By default is select to work as a workout. You can change it to the status, heart rate, weather, notification, event reminder, alarms, compass, or anything you want from this list down here. You can get them on as well. Always on display is available too. If you go in here, you got a choice of 2 always on displays, digital face and a pointer watch face. And bear this in mind that when you're running always on display, your battery life will go down. Further into the settings, you have a system area where you can go about the smartwatch, reboot your smartwatch, shut down and restore it to the factory default settings. Now let's talk about the mobile phone notification. When someone calls you, you actually get the notification with displaying who is calling you. You can hang up the call or ignore it if you want to. You cannot attend the call because no hands-free feature available within. And for the notification, if you got a plenty of them available from different groups from the WhatsApp and stuff like that, you would not be able to read them properly at all. Let's suppose I've got this one here. I can read a little bit about it, not more actually. But whenever somebody sends you the new message, you can actually read it very clearly. I would like to point out this all to you guys. And when you receive an individual message, it showed up very well, no problem whatsoever. You cannot reply back to the message. You can actually view it only. And let's suppose if someone send you emoji or anything like that, you won't be able to display on the smartwatch too. I would like to mention this one because one of my viewers asked me about it before. Now within the smartwatch, you have a heart rate sensor available, and I would like to check its performance and compare it against the oximeter I have available in here. As soon as I turn the oximeter, it's gonna take a couple of seconds. It'll show me BPMs. Okay, right in here about 94 BPMs or 93 BPMs going, which is actually showing me the same amount of BPMs I am getting on my oximeter. So I can rely on the heart rate data available on this T-Rex smartwatch. Main theme of this T-Rex smartwatch is being rugged, and you can use it in the wilderness. So the important thing which you should have for the wilderness is a compass actually, and the smartwatch comes with it as well. You just need to calibrate it by following the instructions available on the screen itself. And there we go. Once calibrated, it's good to go and ready to enjoy. Now using the Amazfit application, you can download quite many watch faces for your T-Rex smartwatch, like the one which I have right in front of you. And you can change them using by press and hold on top of it, and all together in here you will only have the 3 of them available for you to select from. Now launching a working out session using the smartwatch is easy and straightforward by pressing this select button actually. There you go, straight away you are in it. Select what workout you would like to perform. You have got plenty of them available within the selection, starting with the outdoor running, walking, outdoor cycling, pool swimming, open swimming, treadmill, indoor cycling, and so many more as well. And the good thing is, whenever you launch any of that mode, it will actually tell you for how many hours you can do with respect to the remaining battery life. By simply going into any one of them, you can launch it and press the go button. First, you're going to get the GPS data, record your heart rate and what is your pace and how long you've been traveling for, every single bit of information which you like to see actually available in there. Now, you're going to use the touch screen if you want to stop it, or the back button right in here. Have a selection. What would you like to do with it? Would you like to give up, or whatever you want? Simply do it and off you go. Now within your Amazfit application, if you go down into the profile, select your device of T-Rex smartwatch and go down into the watch faces. In here you're going to have all online available watch faces, and all of them are up to dating as well. So if there is any new available, you can just download them by click of a one button. Let me show you one example right in here. I just selected one watch face. By pressing on synchronize the watch face, it will be downloaded straight on your smartwatch. And honestly speaking, most of the watch faces which are available for this T-Rex are suitable for its all rugged design. You can select any one of them. The one which I like the most is this one, which is a military camouflage. It actually suits the green color of my smartwatch. Well, you can actually check this out. Looks fantastic, no doubt whatsoever. Within smartwatch you have a music controller, but the way it works is very strange. It's like when you open up the music player, you are not going to see anything in here. What is going to happen actually, on your mobile phone you should be running a music application. It could be your Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, and whatever you have, it must be running actually. And your mobile phone, while you're jogging, must have a Bluetooth connectivity with your earbuds or headphones if you have. And you can use the smartwatch only to control the music play, pause, volume, and stuff like that. Simple is that. And navigation within the music player is not that bad at all. Easy and straightforward to go with and show you what music is being played, like a song itself. I have been using this smartwatch from last 2 weeks, and the performance of the battery is fantastic actually. And the last charge which I had on the smartwatch was 9 days ago, and still I have got a 44% available for me to enjoy. And the claim battery life is about 20 days actually. And you can also charge the smartwatch to the full battery life within 1 hour. Not that bad at all, guys. Now this Amazfit T-Rex smartwatch is rated for atmosphere 5 waterproof, which means that you can go 50-meter deep dive into the water for 50 minutes. Not that bad at all, but for me it's more or less like washing my hands with it, taking the smartwatch into the shower, and that's about it. In terms of that, I have not had any problem whatsoever with it at all. Now I have been using this smartwatch from last 2 weeks. Charged it only once, getting notification every day in hundreds, no working problem at all. But I expect more from this smartwatch, to be honest with you. Now smartwatch being a rigid, I expect from Amazfit to add the SpO2 sensor within it for sure, because most of the smartwatch within the similar kind of a price range have got that SpO2 actually in it. It's always handy to have the extra bits and pieces within the smartwatch, especially the purpose they serve. Now that is all from my side. I have tried my level best to show each and everything about the smartwatch within the video, and I hope I have covered most of it. But if you think I have missed anything, please do let me know in the comment section down below. I would be happy to help you with that, or any other smartwatch questions you have, please write them in the comment section down below. Now if you found this video informative, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested in any other smartwatch you want me to review, please also write them in the comment section down below. Now that will be completely all from my side, guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.